Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Walid Arhaf, NPM 2441160, Class Management 24A. In this video, I will be presenting a topic for the risk management course and title Principles of Risk Management. Thank you for your attention and I hope you enjoy this presentation. Principle of Risk Management: navigating uncertainty with confidence. Every organization faces uncertainty, from market volatility and operational disruption to regulatory change and emerging threats. Risk management is not about eliminating all risks. It is about making informed, strategic decisions that protect value while enabling growth. This presentation explores the foundational principles that guide effective risk management practices across industries and contexts. Defining risk: understanding potential threats and opportunities. Risk is the effect of uncertainty on objective. It encompasses both downside threats that could harm an organization and upside opportunities that could create value. A clear understanding of risk is the essential first step in building a resilient organization. Tips of risk: strategic risk arising from business decision, competitive dynamic, and market shift. Operational risk stemming from internal process, people, system, or external event. Next, financial risk relate to market fluctuation, credit exposure, and liquidity. Compliance risk linked to legal, regulatory, and governance obligation. Risk assessment dimension: likelihood, the probability that a risk event will occur, ranging from rare to almost certain. Impact, the severity of consequence if the risk materializes financial, reputational, or operational. Velocity, how quickly a risk can escalate and affect the organization on trigger. Next, core principles, the foundation of effective risk management. Internationally recognized framework such as ISO 31000 and COSO-ARM establish a set of core principles that underpin effective risk management. This principle ensures that risk practices are structured, proportionate, and integrated into organizational decision making at every level. Integrated risk management is not a standalone activity. It must be embedded into all organizational process, strategies, and governance structure. Structure and comprehensive. A systematic approach ensures all relevant risks are identified and assessed conscientiously, reducing blind spot and bias. Human and cultural factor. Risk culture, leadership tone, and human behavior of how risks are perceived and managed across the organization. Dynamic and adaptive. Risks evolve continuously. Effective framework respond to internal change and external shift in the operating environment. Implementing a risk framework from strategy to action and continuous improvement. Robust risk management framework translate principles into practice. It provides a repeatable cycle that connects strategic intent with operational execution, ensuring risks are identified, assessed, treated, and monitored on an ongoing basis. Identify risks, monitoring and review, assess risks, treat risks. This cyclical process ensures that risk management remains a living discipline, not a one-time exercise. Organizations that embed this cycle into their governance structure are better positioned to anticipate disruption, seize opportunities, and sustain long-term performance. Framework essential. 1. Establishes contact, define objective, stakeholders, and risk criteria. Assign accountability. Clearly roles, responsibilities, and escalation paths. Communicate and report. Ensure transparent risk reporting to decision makers. In inclusion, understanding the different types of is important because each style has its own strength and can be applied in different situations and organizations. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has been useful and has increased your understanding. See you in the next presentation. Goodbye and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.